If you wish to restore a previously archived report, then you can easily do that. The first thing you'll need to do is to navigate to the job that contains the report you want to restore. So previously to this, you would have gone in to the Edit Report button and tapped the Archive button. We've got a separate video on archiving reports. Go check that out. Assuming that you did that and you want to restore it now, you will have this Show Archived Report option within the job. So let's go ahead and toggle that on. And you can see there's this archived report as indicated by this red color. So to unarchive this report and make it live again, simply go in here, tap Edit Report, and then you can unarchive the report. This is going to turn blue. If I go back to this screen, you can see it now appears, and we don't have that toggle box to include the archived reports since there are none. So it's as simple as that. To unarchive the report, you hit Edit Report and then use the little bin icon with the up arrow to take the item out of the bin essentially, and then it becomes an active report once again.